Hi friends, welcome back to Pinsight. So today again we are going to just we are going to know some three forbidden places on earth where you are not allowed to go. Okay, let's start. I think you all are excited about it. Yeah? Are you all want to see all the forbidden places? Even though we cannot visit them, but at least we can know about them. Okay, let's take the look at them. So the first one is actually a part of India, the Andaman and Nicobar Island. We have in that one of the island is known as North Sentinel Island. It is one of the forbidden places on earth where we cannot go. I think you all might be scratching your head why it is not allowed to go, because I will show you one image. You can see here the image of tribal people. Some of the fishermen were lost their way and got stuck in this place, and they were killed by these tribal people. And one more incident like this only. 5 to 4 years back, what happened was there was an American preacher who went there and he was killed by these tribal people. And now the Indian government has also said that nobody is allowed to go there. Nobody is allowed to go there to the Sentinel Island. Okay, these people are hunters, headhunters and tribals. Okay, and next we have Area 51. This, I think, some students will be talking about Area 51. In that aliens are there, etc., etc. You will be thinking that UFOs will be flying around there. Not sure if actually it happens or not happens, but the Area 51 is strictly forbidden for all the tourists, and it is one of the mysterious places on the world where you are not allowed, where you are forbidden to go. And this is wait, I will show you the image of Area 51. This is image of Area 51 satellite image, and it falls under area of Nevada of America, near Nevada. But one more thing, this place is the weapon testing area of America. Like for example, America has a new gun or new X weapon. They take it to this place and they test here. Okay, they will take that weapon and they will test here, and they have kept some nuclear weapons in Area 51. So America has ordered all the tourists of the world, and they are not allowed here in Area 51. And now let's move on the next and understand this island. This is also one of the island called Poveglia Island in Italy. I will show you image. This is Poveglia Island and is also one of the most beautiful island, but we are not allowed there. Why? Because apparently what happened was, at certain point this island was actually inhabited by lots of people, and what happened was suddenly there came a black plague. Lots of people started suffering from plague at that place here, and it was such huge pandemic like COVID-19, and on that time the people started dying, and they had been burnt. They had been burnt. That's why you see the burning ground here. Burning ground. The people were buried here. All the people who were suffered and died from this black plague, they were burnt here. And also there is a hospital here, you can see, I think Here you can see this is hospital. In hospital, so apparently due to the plague the people started having mental disability. Okay, and here they opened mental theater. This is hospital. Here you can see hospital, mental theater. Okay, and some people came up with, here the place is haunted, and not haunted, one of the most haunted place on the earth. This is one of the most haunted place on the earth, because many people died and they are buried here. See, such a huge land you can see here. This whole land was full of, this whole land is full of skeletons. Okay, and here we got to know about 3 forbidden places of the earth, and I will come up with more forbidden places and more exciting facts. So for today only this much, and let's continue tomorrow. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.